so well without disturbances. Even you can fence it so that when animals come to this farm, it cannot eat it. It cannot eat the tree or destroy it. So we want to plant it right here. You can see it's a very healthy tree, and it's avocado like this one, like this big avocado tree. It all started here. This big tree, it all started here. So today we're going to bring a new life right here, and in few years, like 1 year, we'll be having some fruits and more seeds like this. So here we are. I want to plant it right here. Right here. Let me try and trying to put my camera in a stand so that you can see what I'm doing right here. This is what we call few hours in a farm, or few minutes in a farm. So let me do it. Here we are. I want to place it. Let me place it right here where it fall down. But I'm going to place it very carefully. So I don't know if you can see from this area. I think you can see it properly. Right there. No. Thank you, Mr. Banana, for holding our camera today. You'll be a big champion of today. So we're going to do it right there. So let's do it. So guys, we are done, and this is how it look like from this end. Let me show you. My hands are very dirty. I don't want to make my camera to be more dirty. So this is how it look like. So guys, I'm finished, and my mission for today is just finished. That's what we call few minutes in the farm. We have done something.